Today with AkronOhioMoms.com, we are installing the Mansfield Plumbing Vanquish toilet with side-mounted seat hinges. I did receive this product as a promotional item for this review. This is an easy DIY project anyone can do. In fact, this is the very first time I have installed a toilet. So right now we're just unboxing the toilet tank. Comes with everything you need, including the wax seal. This toilet seat is amazing as it is a slow close seat that's not going to wiggle while you use it, and it's going to not slam when the kids close it. Everything is included, including the instructions to install this toilet at home. As you can see, it does have that side-mounted seat hinge for easy cleaning. The wax ring and bolts are included. This is the very first step in installing the toilet. You're going to attach the bolts to the flange. Making sure it's in the center. So the wax ring is actually going to go right on top of the flange, making sure that it is centered. And then we're going to press down on that ring. Next, we're going to lift the bowl into place straight down onto the ring and bolts. Want to make sure that the bolts emerge up through the holes of the base and then tighten. On both sides. Next, we're going to attach the toilet tank to the toilet bowl. There are a couple steps. First, we are going to align the bolts through the toilet tank. Next, we are adding the rubber gasket to the lock nut on the flush valve against the bottom of the tank. Next, we're adding the tank to the bowl, lining up the mounting holes. Next, we're going to place the bolts through the holes and then tighten all 3 bolts from underneath. Finally, we are installing the water intake line. Secure it tightly to both the tank and the cold water line coming out of your wall. Next, we're installing the side-mounted seat. Placing it on, we're going to reach underneath. There is a black button that releases the mechanism for the hinge rod, and then we're going to secure the assembly to the seat arm on both sides. Test it out to make sure it works, and as you can see, we have a nice smooth surface for cleaning, and there you go. The seat and the lid are slow close. We're filling up the water now, and it looks like everything is good to go. Now it's time to check out to see if it works. We're going to flush and experience the 2 times rinsing power of this toilet. It uses the same amount of water as other low flow toilets, but it gives you double the rinsing power to keep your toilet clean and less clogs.